Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how Britain and France became allies. For centuries, these two powerful nations were often at odds, engaging in numerous conflicts across Europe and the globe. However, a pivotal shift occurred with the signing of the Entente Cordiale. This landmark agreement in 1904 fundamentally reshaped their relationship, moving them from adversaries to partners. The primary catalyst for this alliance was a shared concern over Germany's rising influence. France, having experienced defeat in 1871, sought security against potential German aggression. Simultaneously, Britain grew wary of Germany's ambitious naval program, which threatened its long-held dominance at sea. This mutual apprehension created a strong incentive for both countries to set aside past rivalries and forge a new understanding. The Entente Cordiale was a series of agreements that settled various colonial issues. Crucially, France agreed not to challenge British control in Egypt, while Britain recognized France's right to act in Morocco. These resolutions eliminated major points of contention. While not a formal military alliance initially, it established a framework for diplomatic support and paved the way for closer military discussions between their general staffs. The Entente Cordiale proved to be a foundational agreement, eventually leading to the formation of the Triple Entente with Russia. This solidified their partnership, which became vital in the decade leading up to major global conflicts. Their cooperation during these challenging times demonstrated the strength of their renewed bond. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.